Hello student, welcome to everyone in this video. You all know that this is a series of video we continue to solve the supplementary problem of this book vector analysis by M.R.Spiegel book. You will all know that it is a very important book for physics honors as well as for mathematics honors, also important for IIT JAM examination. That's why we decided to solving the supplementary problem of this book vector analysis by M.R.Spiegel, right? In this video, want to solve the supplementary problem 6.37 to 6.39 of chapter 6, which consists divergence, Stokes, and related integral theorem, mainly Green's theorem. This is lecture number 53. 52 lecture already done to solve the previous chapters. You can see these videos from the description. You will be get the playlist. Okay, this is the first part of this chapter. So let's start with question 5.6.37, which says, sorry, 6.37, which says verify Green's theorem in the plane. This is the contour integral where C is the boundary of the region defined by this. This is a two question. So you must know the Green's theorem. Green's theorem says that integration contour integration m dx plus n dy, where mn is the function of xy, then this is a surface integration del n del x minus del m del y dx dy. This is the Green's theorem, you all know that. So for question A, we want to draw the diagram, the y equal to x root x and y equals to x square. Okay, you all know for y equal to x square the curve is like that, y equal to x square, right? This is a y is equals to x square, and and y equal to root x is like that. This is the y equal to root x, y is equals to root x. So the common region is this. So we need to find out the integration of this. So for the line integration we need to from a to, this is a 0, this point is p, so 0 to p and then come back p to 0. To find the coordinate of o is 0 0, then to find the coordinate of p we need to solve these two equation. So if we solve these two equation, we will be get y equal to root x and y equal to x square. So x square is nothing but root x. So x to the power 4 is nothing but x. So x can be common out. X cube minus 1 equals to 0. So you can say x into x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So you get x equal to 0, x equal to 1, the real solution, sorry, x equal to 1, and here we will get two complex solution. So the real solution is x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So x equal to 0 is here, so here x equal to will be 1. So if you put x equals to 1 from any one, you will be get y equals to 1. So the coordinate of p is 1 1, right? So to solve the contour integral we need to path this take as path path 1, and this is a path 2. So for path 1, that is o to p, this is o to p. Here you can see the equation will be y is equals to root x. So you can say dy is nothing but 1 by 2 root x dx, right? So if you put in this integration contour integration 3x square minus 8y square dx, that into 4y minus 6xy dy, right? So just put the we need to change all y into the x. So this is 3x square is, if we x square no change, y square is x into dx. This is x is 0 to, the value x is 0 to 1, the value of x is 0 to 1. Okay, and for y is nothing but root x minus 6x, y is root x into dy. Dy is 1 by 2 root x dx. Okay, so you can write as this is x equal to 0 to 1. This is 3x square minus 8x, and multiply this, you will be get 2 minus, no, this is minus plus 3x. Is this okay? Okay, dx. So if we integrate, this is x cube by 3, so this is x cube, and this is 11 x square by 2 and 2x. Put the value 0 to 1, you will be get 1 minus 11 by 2 plus 2, 3, 6, 5. So this is 5 by 2. Is this okay? Is this okay? This is uh, is there any wrong? Is there any wrong? Yes. Y square equal to 4x. Right. These two are missing. Actually, this is sorry. This is y equal to x square. This is y is equals to x square, and this is y is equals to root x. Sorry. So 0 to p. So I want to change this as p to 0, path 2, p to 0. Then we can say the equation is right. Clear? There is a mistake. Sorry for mistake. Please clarify this. Okay. So the limit will be 1 to 0. So the limit will be 1 to 0. 1 to 0. Correct? 1 to 0. 1 to 0. Just put the limit value 1 to 0. You will be get this will be minus, this will be plus, and this will be minus. So you will get minus 3. So this is the 5 by 2. So this will be for path 2 for path 1. So for path 1, path 1 that is O to P. Here the y is equals to x square. So dy is nothing but 2x dx. Just put in this equation 3x square minus 8y square. So this will be x to the power 4 dx plus 4y is x square minus 6xy, y is x square, dy is 2x dx. So this is 3x square minus 8x to the power 4 plus 4 to the 8x cube minus 12x to the power 4, that into dx. Right? So sorry, here the limit will be 0 to 1. Right? Here the limit will be 0 to 1. X will be 0 to 1. So if we integrate, this will becomes x cube by 3. So this will be x cube, and this is the 8x to the power 4 by 4, that is 2x to the power 4, and this is 20x to the power 5 by 5, that is minus x to the power 5, 0 to 1, that is 1 plus 2 minus 4, that is minus 1. So the total, if we want to find out the total integral value will be 5 by 2, the previous one 5 by 2 path 2, and for path 1 this is minus 1, so this is 3 by 2. Right? So this is just by using the contour integral. That's mean by this integration, that is the left hand side. So now we need to find out the right hand side by the Green's theorem. So here m is 3x square minus 8y square. So what is the value of del m del y? This is the nothing but minus 16y, and the n is 4y minus 6xy. then what is the value of del n del x? Del n del x, this is nothing but minus 6y. So del n del x minus del m del y, this is nothing but minus 6y minus minus plus 16y, that is 10y. So the integration, the del n del x minus del m del y, that is 10y dx dy. The limit of the y is from upper to lower, that is root x to x square, root x to x root x to x square, root x to x square. Sorry, this was taken, sorry, what happened? Upper limit, so root x, and the lower limit is x square. So x square to root x square to root x square to root x. Upper limit is root x, in the upper side is root x, so x square is upper side, and root x is the upper side, and root x square is the lower side. So x square to root x, y dy, 10 is here, and dx. Integration, another integration here. So y square by 2, so this become 5 y square. Y square means upper limit square, so root x square x square, and this is x square square means x to the power 4 integration dx. And the limit of the x is 0 to 1, x is 0 to 1, so this is 5, this is x cube by 3, x to the power 5 by 5, 0 to 1. So this is 5, 15 minus 5 minus 3, that is 3 by 5 minus x root x square, that is x, so this is x square by 2, x square by 2, so this is 2, this is 3 by 2. So from left hand side and right hand side are the both are the same, right? Go to the question B. For equation B, for B, just draw the diagram. This is x axis, that means this is y equals to 0, this is y axis, that means x equals to 0. We got those two, x equals to 0, y equals to 0. X plus y is 1, so this is nothing but intersecting point of straight line. This is the x plus y equals to 1. The equation is x plus y is equals to 1, that means at this point x is 1 or y is 0, at this point 0 1. Okay, so for at first we need to find out the contour integral, so we need to follow this path 1 2 3. So for path 1, path 1 for path 1 we can say, in this path x is changes from 0 to 1, y is 0, so dy is also 0. So if you put here dy is 0, this total part is 0, and in this y is 0, so this is also 0, so you will be get integration 3x square dx, and the x change from 0 to 1, so this is x cube by 3, so this is x cube 0 to 1, so this is nothing but 1. So for path 1 this is 1, for path 2, for path 2, for path 2 the equation will be x plus y is 1, so you will get y equal to 1 minus x, so the y equals to minus dx. Put in this equation that just change all y into x, so this is 8 1 minus x whole square dx plus 4y, y is 1 minus x minus 6xy, that is 1 minus x, that into dy, that is minus dx. Okay, so integration, just multiply, this is 3x square minus 8 plus 16x, and this is x square minus 8x square, and for that we must multiply this minus, so this will becomes minus 4 plus 4x, and this minus plus, that is 6x minus 6x square, that into dx. And the limit of the x will be must be 0 to 1 to 0. The initial x is 1 and final x is 0, so x is 1 to 0, right? So x is 1 to 0. The maximum power is 2 square. This is 3 minus 8, that's minus 5, so minus 11 x square is minus 11 x square. Second is x 26 is 16 4, that is 20, and with 6, that is 26x, that is 26x, and these are the 12. Okay, so you integrate this, become 11 x cube by 3 plus the x square by 2, that is 13x square, and that is 12x. Put 1 to 0, so this become plus 11 by 3 minus 13 plus 12, that is 11 by 3 minus 1, that is 8 by 3. This is for path 2, and for path 3, that is return from that path. Okay, so this y is 1 to 0, y changes from 1 to 0, and x is 0, that is dx also 0. So you will get dx part is 0 in this equation, x is 0, so only you get 4y dy, and the y changes from 1 to 0. So this is y square by 2, that is 2y square 1 to 0. So this is minus 2. This is minus 2. So the total integral, total first one was the 1 8 by 3 minus 2, 1 8 by 3, 1 8 by 3 minus 2, that is become, that's become 8 by 3 minus 1, that is 5 by 3, right? So by the Green's theorem we need to find out the del m del x and del m del y, which already calculated in the previous one. This was the 10y, right? So we need to find out the integral value, 10y dx dy. What is the change of the x and y? The here x is 0 to 1 and y changes from 0 to 1 minus x. Okay, so if we integrate at first one, that is 5y square, and the y changes from 0 to 1 minus x, dx integration x equal to 0 to 1. So put x equals to 0 to 1, that is 5y square, that is 1 minus x whole square dx. So this become 0 to 1 5 1 minus 2x plus x square dx, right? So just integrate this 5, this is x minus x square by 2, that is x square, and it is x cube by 3, 0 to 1, that is 5 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 3, that means this will be 5 by 3. So by contour integral this becomes 5 by 3, and by this Green's theorem we also get the 5 by 3. So the Green's theorem is verified. So the Green's theorem, your theorem is verified, right? So let's go to the next question. If there is any query or any doubt or any problem, please comment in the comment box, or you can WhatsApp me. I will give you the WhatsApp number in the forward slide. Okay, so let's go to the next question, 6.38, which says evaluate this integration by in the contour C, where a circle of radius 2 with center at the origin of xy plane. So the equation or the circle is like that. This is the circle where radius is 2 and origin is 0. So the equation of this circle will be x square plus y square equals to 2 square. So we got the equation of this circle. Now we need to find out the integral value, so we prefer to use the Green's theorem. So for that, here m is 3x plus 4y, so del m del y is nothing but 4, and n is nothing but 2x minus 3y, that is del n del x is nothing but 2. So we can say del n del n del x minus del m del y, this is nothing but 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So you can apply the integral theorem, that is del m del x minus del m del y, that into dx dy, right? So this will gives minus 2 dx dy. Here we can see there is a polar symmetry. So if we use the polar coordinate system, this becomes very easy. So you know, in polar coordinate system, dx dy will turn into r d theta into r dr into d theta. How this will becomes? Say this is a r and this portion is dr, and this is a d theta, so this become r d theta. So the small area, this is the small area in this portion, this is r d theta, and this is dr, so this area will be r d theta into dr, right? And the limit of the r will be 0 to 2, that is the radius, and theta will be 0 to 2 pi, maximum limit to cover the all angles 2 pi, right? So if you integrate, this becomes r square by 2, and the limit will be 0 to 2, and the theta will be theta, that limit into 0 to 2 pi. So this will be minus 2, 2 to cancel out, r square, that is 2 square, and that is 2 pi. So this is 4 to 8 minus 8 pi. So this is the answer of this question, minus 8 pi. You can also calculate with respect to contour integral, but if there is a chance to use the Green's theorem, we must use the Green's theorem, because the calculation will be easier than contour integral, right? So this is by Green's theorem. Okay. For Green's theorem, we need to remind the only two dimension. The integral must be two dimension. Then we can use the Green's theorem. And in this question, which is the previous problem, the integration will be like that. Previous problem means the contour integral, the equation of this plane is y square equal to x square equal to 2 square. The equation is same. Here the m is x square plus y square. So del m del y is nothing but 2y, and the n is 3xy square. So del n del x is nothing but 3y square. So del n del x minus del m del y is nothing but 3y square minus 2y. So by Green's theorem, we can say, from Green's theorem we can say this will becomes r del m del x minus del m del y, that into dx dy, right? So this can be del n del x is nothing but 3y square minus 2y minus del m y into dx dy. Now if we want to change into the polar coordinate system, then this will be become easier. That's why we use here x is equals to r cos theta, right? X is equals to r cos theta, and y is equals to r sin theta, and dx dy, you know, this is r d theta dr. If we put d theta dr, if we put this substitution, what we will be get 3y square, y square is r square sin square theta minus 2y, y is r sin theta into dx d theta is r dr d theta, right? Here r is 0 to 2 and theta is obviously 0 to 2 pi. Okay, at first since r and theta are independent, perpendicular to each other, so we can you can here integrate with respect to r first. If we multiply it with this to here r, so this will becomes r cube. So the integral will be r to the power 4 by 4 sine square theta, and this will becomes 2 r square, so this is 2 r cube by 3 sine theta, and the r is 0 to 2, that into d theta, and the theta will be 0 to 2 pi. So this become 3 fourth 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 we use 2 cube, and 2 sine square theta we know 1 minus cos 2 theta, and this become 2 to the power 4 here also. So 2 to the power 3 and 2, this is 2 to the power 4 sine theta d theta, and theta equals to 0 to 2 pi. You all know the total integration limit 0 to 2 pi of sine cos 2 theta or sine theta also 0. So this part integral of this part will be 0, the integral of this part will be, you can integrate individually, then you can see this part will be 0, this part will be 0, only this part will be present, that is 3 by 4 2 cube, and with theta integration will be theta, that is 2 pi. So this becomes 2 to the power 4. So this is is there any wrong? What is the value? 39, 6.39, 6.39, that is 2 to 4. Oh, that is 12 pi. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you. This is all about me. This is my contact details. You can contact with me WhatsApp or Telegram channel regarding any physics related question or any problem in this video. And this is my YouTube channel details. Go to this channel, you can get the all video which already uploaded. Subscribe to this channel if you new in this channel, and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming video, and share this video to your friends so that he or she also get benefit from this video. Thank you, take care, we will meet in the next video as soon as possible.